Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, call me Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu Oraifite, or you call me Akajugo. I'm an ancient high priest. Abụbụ onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afọ gba afa miri emi n'ụkwazị ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist, I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Today, our today's topic is soulmate and spiritual connection. Soulmate and spiritual connection. And I'm here to tell you that your soulmate is that your twin flame. People that get you and them have spiritual journey together. From creation, two of you are compatible spiritually, not lost connection. No, spiritual connection. And two of you are two hearts of love from creation, spiritually, because your spiritual journeys are interwoven. Spiritually, two of you are meant to complement each other, because two of you are like left and right. All this is, we explain it in details for you to really understand what it all means. Before we dive into today's lecture, don't forget that we are still in the 4th month of the year 2026. This morning, I have gone to the temple to make rituals, sacrifices, and make prayers for those that join us. Friends of the temple, children of the temple, members of Ordinary Restoration Evangelical Mission and Consecrated Group. You can join us anywhere you are all over the world. Distance is never a barrier in what we do in the temple. If you are interested in joining our monthly rituals, we started it over 4 years now. We have massive testimonies, believe in me. But as you all know, we don't share testimonies on social media or even in Eziokwu TV. You know why? It's not necessary, not why we are here, but I can tell you that you know. Yes. So I wanted interested in joining here. In the screen, you have my WhatsApp numbers. My WhatsApp numbers are 0805 7837 672 or 0813 8243 871. Now let's proceed. Yes. Remember, our today's topic is soulmates, spiritual connections. I'm here to tell you a lot of people are misinterpreting it, what it's all about. This soulmate, or I call them twin hearts of love, twin flames. This thing doesn't have anything to do with lost attraction. People of this generation are so smart when it comes to lust. Some people are too smart in terms of brainwashing and sweet sugar-coated tongues. But believe in me, when the chips are down, they will desert you. It all needs things to happen to you for you to understand what is happening in this generation. Yes. But you look around you to see what is happening to others and use it to learn. Life, some people used to say life no balance, but I dispute that. I tell people that life will only give you what you sow. Chukwu Okike and the natural laws of justice pays everybody in your coin. If you are somebody that you are deceitful, you always jam people with similar vibrations, and whatever you sow, you reap it. Take it or leave it. So in life, if you are sowing good seeds, believe in me, nature will always make it happen to you. You receive positivity in returns. But believe in me, don't trust people because of sugar-coated tongues. People will promise what they will not do. But believe in me, know how you know it is that look at other people around you that have been disappointed. Because whenever they say soulmate, people used to interpret it to means lost mate. They are two different things. Soulmate, it means people that you and them connect spiritually. And when you and somebody connect spiritually, loss is excluded. Anybody that you see and the first thing that comes to your mind is lost, believe in me, can never be a soulmate. I'm telling you by with experience. Anybody you see and what comes to your mind is lost, believe in me, that person can never be a soulmate. The reason is that once whatever that attracted, because that first feeling you have for the person is how your inner being feels about the person. Anybody that from creation, what linked two of you, like I said in the topic, soulmate and spiritual connections. What connected two of you is the spirit. Maybe two of you in the previous earth life are brothers and sisters, or two of you are two love friends, or two of you have crossed each other's path, and you now decide, oh, in the next world, me and you will cross each other's path again, because of how friendly, without betrayal. Then two of you now like make like a bond. In such scenario, you can see somebody, even somebody from Akwa Ibom, can reincarnate to an Igbo man. Maybe two of you are two friends in the previous earth life. Etu onye anwa si mesogo omume iwe si no wo ọzọ m ga-abịara gị ụwa. Wo ọzọ m ga-abịara gị ụwa. Because of that love was shared in the previous earth life, you are now looking for opportunity to pay the person back. You can see that what attracted two of you is sincerity from the heart. But once loss set in, believe in me, is not soulmate. Is lack of self-control that attracted loss. And the loss have destroyed so many people. But people used to mix it together, as if soulmate means lost mate. Lost mate and sex mate is two different things. Because you will ask yourself, what of those people that are single mothers today? And there are products, maybe they have been deceived by lost mates or sex mates, promising them heaven on earth. I know people that are too close to me today that are single mothers. Yes, because they believe sugar-coated talks. And at the end of the day, you will see them, those people will desert them. And they will bear the cross alone. Yes. So to show you that people can be deceitful, whenever they want to get what they want, they will always take advantage of you. They will take advantage of you lustfully. They will take advantage of you in all ramifications. And once you come across such a person, you know that you are the loser, because you are losing in all angles. They don't care genuinely. What they care is what they will gain from you, and nothing more. Yes, they will get everything from you. Take away even that little thing they have, little food they have, little money they have, they will take it away from you. They will keep using sugar-coated people. There are this kind of people everywhere. But you have to learn and be smart enough to detect what these people. Let me tell you about my life. There is this particular lady, may her soul rest in peace. This is a lady, her name is Lovette Duroha. Anybody from her, why I mention names is that this is something you can verify. She's from Enugu State. I'm from Anambra State, as you all know. So when I was growing up, at my 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, we are friends. We became friends from religious activities, from Region of Mary, from Fraternity of the Most Holy Rosary, from Maria Movement of Priests, and the Blue Army, all these religious activities. That is how we met ourselves. But believe in me, during that our relationship, nothing like lost that was involved. This lady is a lady that Even our parish, people in our parish knows that we are too close. She visit my house. Sometimes you come to my house. My father is a type that, oh, he dare not bring in opposite sex, and what brings two of you together is carnal. No, my father we dealt with you. Now, what happened that this particular lady used to visit me at home. All my family members knows. Then sometimes you visit me, we wash together. Even if I'm washing clothes, she will join me and wash clothes and rinse clothes. But believe in me, all these years we are together. We go to religious activities, go to pilgrimage together, but we never touch each other like this. We never even talk about man and woman. All we normally discuss is spiritual connection. Spiritual connection, anything that has to do with spirituality. Believe in me, they are living very close to our parish then. Sometimes if I break my fasting in the our program in the church that time, sometimes she will ask me to come to the house that she made food. Sometimes we will eating gare as in the same plate. But before God and man, we never look ourselves in very beautiful lady. Anybody that knows Lovette Duro had back then in our parish then knows that Lovette cannot pass you without you looking back. She was at her prime that time. Yes, she was at her time. Anytime I am free, sometimes I will go to where she's working and we discuss a lot. We have a lot, but we live like brothers and sisters. Even when she got married, that time I wasn't even, and we are not even talking about husband and anything relationship, nothing. So that time I will be like, she got married when I was like 23 years, and she will be that time like 21. Then, and it happens that the person that later married her happens to be one of my best friend, who happens to be our diocesan president in our society in the Catholic Church then. Before he got married to her, our president met me and said, "This is your friend, I want to marry her." I said, "It's okay, she's a good girl, it's okay." And I said, "Go ahead." And on their wedding, I participated everything. That my friend later thanked me that this is your girl, that is your friend, that she's still a virgin. To the extent that me and their family and that my president then became so close. Then few years later, I got married. Now, so that marriage later didn't work out well. To cut the whole story short, when she passed on, she later passed on. She's late now. She later passed on. On her sick bed, she's from Ezago and she was married to Adazienu man, Sonda Bogu. You can go and verify. My own is not what you can go and verify. Sonda Bogu married this my friend of many years, still as a virgin. Sonda Bogu is still at Onitsha, Onitsha. I think she is in main market. Now, the thing Sonda Bogu told me on the day of her burial, because I was in Abuja then, and I heard of her then. I said I must be there. It really pained me. So then on that particular burial, Sonda Bogu was surprised to see me because he didn't have my contact then. Because it was long years. So when he saw me Sunday, he was like looked down in chairs and told me that that's her wife. His wife. I'm the one she was like mentioning before she passed on. She told her, that's what the woman told me, told her that her wife was so worried that my marriage with my wife then didn't work out well. She was so pain. She was so concerned about my pain. Yes. So to show you that it's very possible for those who, and believe in me, no one thing I want you to learn from this my story is that Lovette is a lady that understood me in a way that time I'm the parish president of our site then. She is the secretary. But sometimes if there is any issue, nobody will visit her. Robert, see the challenges I'm facing, what is your advice? She will give the person advice and said the person, however, I still have to wait for the president to be back so that he will hear from him. Believe in me, once I'm back, I will still give the person the same answer. And people will say, oh, wow, two of you are not here together, but what I told the person will always be what she will tell the person. Like our heart was like together. Whatever I advice I gave you in advice in her absence, believe in me, whenever you meet her, ask her, tell her the same story, we give you the same thing. Like we understood ourselves so close to the extent that all my family members knows her till today. Understand? So it's something you can even verify from my family members as who is Lovette Dudoha. Letter Lovette Abu Sasole. So it's what you can verify. And again, I still have another very religious person in the person of Mother Mary John Gene Kanwa. She's a reverend sister of Immaculate Heart Sisters at all. She's a reverend, that is a mother. If you know what is mother in the reverend, and according to Reverend Sisters rank, she's Mother Mary John Gene Kanwa from Imo State, from Olu precisely. Now, during that time, I was so close to her that I used to visit their convent at Temple. But our discussions and everything was like based on spirituality. Based on spirituality. For you to know that soulmate is somebody that spiritually is like two of you have passed each other, crossed each other's path spiritually. And they is of mutual benefit, spiritual benefit. That is soulmate. It's not flesh mate or sex mate or lost mate. Once is it has, if no matter anything anybody is telling you, once what is the person want from you is flesh, lost, it has nothing to do with soulmate. The person will be telling you, you are the perfect person I was looking for, you are the, it's just to target. That is no matter. So what I'm telling you in essence is that people can be deceitful, but if you allow your spiritual, the spirit of discernment in you to always guide you, you will always detect those people that are so deceitful, and they will be self-centered. What they are interested in you, what they will get for you, what they can even borrow money from. They will ask you for money, they can ask you for food, they will take everything. You will take everything and you know that you are going down. You don't benefit anything from them. They are self-centered and they are selfish people. Avoid such people because they always twist it as yeah, so man, this and that with sugar coated tongue, but it's a lie. So because people normally miss these two things at the same time. Once they say two twin hearts of love, two twin flame, soulmates, people used to link them. Anybody that have their spiritual compatibility, what will be involved, two of you can be close years without anything to do lustfully. Unless if two people that are destined for marriage, it will lead to marriage. But it will not be just for lust. All this is what we need to know, because sometimes if we don't allow our spirit to guide us, we are bound to make serious mistakes. A lot of people have made mistakes. Some of them are regretting it today, and some of them will still regret it tomorrow. Let me stop here. If you have any question in today's lecture or you want us to do deep consultation for you, chat me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number remains 0805 7837672 or 0813-8243-871. Let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na ọ dị ihe siri m ike nke Chineke na-apụghị izi m ụzọ m ga-esi lụwuo ya n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya gasị. May the blessings of Chukwu Okike Pụrụ Ihe be with you all. May you be protected, may you be blessed now and forevermore. Ya gasị, udo dịrị unu.